For decades, the automotive world operated on a strict compromise. The more rugged a truck was, the rougher the ride inside. The Denali 6500 exists to break that exact formula, demanding commercial-grade towing output alongside a meticulously crafted interior experience. Look at this internal cross-section of a high-torque engine under heavy load. When pushing thousands of pounds, the block generates extreme heat. To survive, it relies on thermal rejection, a process requiring a massive, continuous volume of active airflow to physically carry that heat away. Because of that thermodynamic reality, the towering front grille is mathematically sized to ingest the exact volume of air needed to keep the engine from melting down under severe strain. Moving past the front fascia, you begin to see what the 6500 class designation actually means in terms of physical footprint and raw payload capability. To support extreme weight without a blowout, you need an aggressive dual rear wheel configuration. The suspension distributes heavy loads across a wider area. Stretching the rear track outwards stabilizes the vehicle's center of gravity, mitigating dangerous lateral sway when towing. This animated wireframe highlights another vital requirement: torsional rigidity. A standard chassis will twist and flex under the immense rotational force of a heavy trailer. A reinforced widened dually rear axle mathematically resists that torsion, keeping the frame perfectly aligned. The dominating wide-stance rear profile is an unyielding mathematical response to the absolute demands of commercial-grade towing stability. But the sheer physical size of the vehicle is only half the engineering equation. The other half is microscopic. Between the alloy wheels, the exhaust joints, and the exterior panel gaps, the machining tolerances are held incredibly tight. Every seam is engineered to endure brutal environmental heat and constant mechanical vibration without degrading over time. The result is a precisely machined monolith, built to ensure every single millimeter holds its structural integrity year after year. Outside, the truck is a violent environment of high torque energy and mechanical strain. Inside, it has to be a completely isolated sensory sanctuary. This diagram shows exactly how acoustic impedance works in the cabin. Violent, low-frequency sound waves emitting from the engine block hit a dense, layered cross-section of structural dampening materials in the firewall and acoustic glass, where they are physically absorbed, scattered, and inverted. Once the harsh, fatiguing chassis vibrations are filtered out, the ergonomic layout of the seating and steering wheel is calibrated to transmit only the critical tactile feedback the driver actually needs. At the center of this environment, the infotainment screen acts as an operational command hub, feeding the driver live telemetry on towing metrics, precise tire pressures, and shifting terrain data. The cabin operates as a highly functional isolation chamber, meticulously engineered to keep the driver alert and fatigue-free, no matter how severe the operational stress gets outside. Taking a dually of this curb weight and keeping it stable on smooth asphalt at high velocity is an enormous physics challenge. This graph compares a standard vehicle's peaky power band to the steep, flat torque curve of a heavy-duty diesel engine. Because the torque is sustained so evenly, a truck of this immense size can seamlessly merge and pass at highway speeds without straining the powertrain. To manage the ride quality, the suspension utilizes adaptive damping. This technology electronically measures the road surface and adjusts shock resistance in milliseconds, eliminating the violent bounce you typically get from heavy, unladen leaf springs. It proves that operating a vehicle with massive towing capability no longer demands a rough, unpredictable ride on the highway. Of course, smooth asphalt is easy compared to loose sand or deep mud. In extreme environments, the friction coefficient drops drastically, and the sheer vehicle weight suddenly becomes a massive, dangerous liability. Look at this top-down schematic of the drivetrain in motion. Through electronic torque vectoring, the vehicle's computer continuously hunts for grip, independently shuttling power away from slipping wheels and aggressively pushing it into the tires that still have purchase. To keep those wheels planted, the vehicle relies on extended, articulated suspension travel, forcing the rubber to maintain contact over jagged, highly uneven ground. Mastering rough terrain with a massive chassis requires hyper-intelligent, microsecond power distribution, moving entirely past the old reliance on brute mechanical force. From the thermodynamic calculations of the front grille to the acoustic dampening layered into the firewall, every component bridges the historical gap between massive payload capability and a premium driving environment. The next-gen Denali 6500 proves that absolute mechanical power and precise, uncompromised luxury can flawlessly exist within a single machine.